Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to animate still photos in Canva. So this is a blank Canva, click on your uploads and choose any photo you want. I'm gonna go with this one right here. I think I selected the wrong size, but I'm gonna go with this one. This should be an portrait. Well anyway, for this one, click this edit option. Now once you click on this edit option, you're gonna have this option. We're looking for the one that says Magic Grab. This one right here. Take note guys, this feature is for Canva Pro users. What I can do is select a specific region right there, click grab right here. Now it's grabbing that specific region. On this case, that woman right there is gonna be removed or moved to a different location, meaning in a different section. So once next, so clicking that specific part right there, as you can see, I can now move this one as I see fit. Now, specifically clicking on animate for that one, looking for breathe here, should be around here. I think this should be it. Just looking this one, perfect. So I can move this one, click in or click in right there. I can now animate that specific part of the photo. It's gonna be easy as that. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.